Hey girlies, get into a look that I did over the weekend with Premium Lace Wigs. So I did receive a full HD body wave wig. This is a Brazilian texture. They consider this their full lace, even though there's construction in the middle. It is a breathable wig though, so I wasn't mad at it, but I do want to let you guys know it is not a full lace wig from top to bottom. So I did remove a little bit of my makeup, added my adhesive spray, let it get tacky, and we popped her on. This wig does come with an elastic band, the straps in the back that you can pull to each side to ensure that you have a snug wig. I did like the comfortability of it. Alright, so I instantly knew that I wanted to throw curls into this hair, so I went ahead and started using my hot comb and making sure that I pushed everything back. They did consider this pre-bleach, pre-plucked, but I felt like the pre-bleach kind of failed in that department, so your girl had to come through. Just not yet. This day I was still trying to be hopeful, thinking that I can make things work, and use the elastic band to melt everything down. Brought out my holding spray and used my hot combs just to push everything back. I was noticing that the pre-plucked was looking good, but the knots were just a little too loud once we removed the lace and elastic band. I couldn't do it. So the next day, of course, I bleached her up, popped her back on. I just skipped that whole step with y'all, and I was loving how it was looking. Used my Pattern Beauty blow dryer to blow her out. You're gonna see how luscious and full and just beautiful and shiny this hair looked after doing that, and I was really happy with the result. When I part it, it's going to look very visible, it's going to look clean, and that's exactly the look that I was going for. So now that everything was laying and looking exactly how I needed it to, I started the curling process. I used my T3 curling iron, and I made sure to take it back when I first was curling hair ever. I just always section my hair off like maybe 3 to 4 sections and got like a good amount of hair, not too much. Curled it, left it on the curlers for about 5 to 10 seconds and letting it cool off. That's pretty much how I get these super big voluminous kind of styles, and I take my time with it. This part is sped up, but I really loved that look, especially when I was in high school. I just loved big crazy hair and not having like too much of a rhyme and reason. Just when you threw it over to the side or pushed it over in the back, it just got bigger, and it just was my thing, you know. So I wanted to do it with this wig because I once again love the density, and it just made sense. But I also did another style you're going to see at the end. I might upload that look if that's what you guys want to see. I really was trying a new curl technique, and it turned out perfectly. So yeah, if y'all want to see it, let me know. But I'm just going to let you guys vibe out and watch me curl the rest of my hair. Alright, so this is pretty much all the hair curled up. I'm using some hairspray. I forgot the name. I think it's the Sebastian shaper that I'm using. And I like that hairspray because it holds the hair, but it doesn't make it crunchy. So look at how huge the top part of my hair is. Really cute. I love it. Now, if I had a wide tooth comb, but I could not find it this day, so I had to kind of like finger comb and create the illusion that I wanted. And then I was being super indecisive. I wanted a part all of a sudden. I usually don't do that, but that's what I ended up doing. I kind of like took that part out of me creating the part because it does come with some type of flattening, you know. But overall, this is pretty much what I chose to do with the hair. I made it super big to kind of like make it flat and reasonable later on in the video, but like I said, that's me being indecisive. But I have fun playing around in Premium Lace Wigs unit, so check it out down in the description box below if you're interested in a unit from them. I ended up doing a ponytail too. Yeah, just bored, just doing stuff at this point and really trying to check out their like full lace wig construction. In my opinion, it's like a 360, but hey, you know, don't shoot the messenger here. The little cute updo style, but we went back to this, and then I want to show you guys the look that I was telling y'all. If y'all want to see it, here it is. You just got to let me know in the comment section. I was playing around with curls on this unit and it turned out so fire. All right, see my girls in the next one. Bye, y'all.